Pretty flower, pretty rose, pretty highs, pretty lows, pretty friends, pretty foes.
Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Mocha and I'm back at it again with another video. And today I'm coming to y'all with the entrepreneur video, okay? Because y'all been asking and I'm answering, okay? Today I'm basically going to be doing a video showing you guys how I make my brand new fruity lip glosses, okay? Just added these to my site. They come in these super cute Glossier inspired tubes. However, they're way bigger than the Glossier tubes. They hold a lot more product. They're cute. These are my two personal, so these probably look used because I've been using these up. But this is my gloss in the color Cherry Kiwi. If y'all heard the Megan Thee Stallion song, Bad Bitch Tastes Like Cherry Kiwi. Yeah, that's what I named it after. And then this is my second one, and this one is called Strawberry Delight. This one is basically my Angel Baby gloss, but it has strawberries in it. This gloss is so cute. This gloss is so cute with the brown liner if you're, you know, a deep skin tone, and super cute without one if you're any skin tone. So y'all, I love this gloss, and I love this one too. This is my original Cherry Kiwi gloss color. The only difference is I added little mini kiwis in there. They're super cute, and this one just leaves like a red tint on your lips. Nothing too bold, nothing too strong, just a slight little red. You may know this is my Blueface lip oil, and it just looks like this. Super cute. This is a lip oil with super subtle blue glitter in it. If you see it, it looks really good on the lips. So this is also my personal. I might show you guys how to make a different color of this, or two different colors, because why not? I plan on making different colors of this anyways, and I'm going to show you guys how to make these. All right, y'all. So if you want to see that video, then keep watching. All right, guys, so these are the containers I will be using. As I showed you before, I have my pink top lip oil bottles. Super cute. And then I have my brand new white tubes. Also super cute. But first we're gonna start off with lip oil. So for lip oil, I'm just getting this bowl right here. For lip oil, you can use really any oils that you would like. I prefer oils that I know are good for your lips, like avocado oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, any oils like that. Just do some research on what oils. No, this is not olive oil. This is avocado oil. But just look up what oils are good for your lips and stuff, and just choose your own combination and make your own. But yeah, so I'm just gonna, you know, stir it around a little bit, get it nice and mixed up. I'm gonna go into my drawer of pigments here, and I'm going to find what pigment I want to use. Let's see. And that looks like a super pretty color. And what I'm going to do next is add some flavoring, okay? I'm gonna add some cotton candy flavoring. I just pour it into the container. That went pretty well. And this is what it's looking like. That is gorgeous. Now that that's filled up, I'm gonna go ahead and take the top, pop that in there, put the cap on. Now, of course, you see how my hands are all oily and my tube is oily. Always gotta make sure you wash your tubes thoroughly when you're finished. I'm just gonna make one more because this is so pretty. Wow. So this is super pretty. I'm gonna make another one. And bottoms up. We just gotta commit. You really just have to commit to the pouring and you won't waste it. Gorgeous. And then you just pop the top on, and boom, you got 2 lip oils completed and ready. I'm gonna put labels on these at the end, so yeah. Alright guys, so I got my lip gloss base in the containers, and as always I'm going to go ahead and add some oil. I'm doing different oils for each one depending on the color. I'm just gonna stir these up. Now these are completely stirred up, and I'm gonna go ahead and add what pigments are gonna be in them. For Cherry Kiwi, I'm adding the red coloring. What they look like so far. Then I also need flavoring. I'm gonna add cotton candy flavoring to Strawberry Delight and watermelon flavoring to Cherry Kiwi. I know it's actually different from their names, but trust me, these are my favorite flavors for a reason. They smell delicious and taste delicious. And these certain flavors I love because they come out clear. I was having a problem with these other flavorings. I think it's the L'Oreal flavorings. Most of their flavors have a color. So if I'm trying to make like a certain gloss, like if I want to flavor a clear gloss watermelon, I couldn't do it because the color of the flavoring was red, so it would dye my gloss red when I want it to be clear. And here's the beginning of Cherry Kiwi, and here is the beginning of Strawberry Delight. It's super cute. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I put into my glosses. I put in this here. These are non-toxic Fimo slices. These are cosmetic grade, so don't worry, don't worry. They're perfectly safe for your lips. Plus, they don't even come out of the tube. But this is what it looks like. To prep the tubes, I just open the tubes up, sit the wands somewhere else. Then I shake a few of these first. I put a few first into the tube. So if you can see it, it's like they're hanging at the bottom of the tubes. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill my tubes up. I've shown you guys this in one of my videos before, but I want to show you guys again just because, just in case you didn't see my other lip gloss making video. So there we go. It is all connected on here, and we're ready to start filling our tubes. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna take the other end here, and I'm gonna press this down into the tube. And I'm gonna take my Cherry Kiwi tube, the tube that has kiwis in it, and I am going to start the filling process. And once I get to a certain level, I'm going to stop. It's a pretty tedious process, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Y'all love these, so I'm gonna make sure I have these. And like I said, guys, it gets hard sometimes, okay? The kiwis stick together. Y'all, it's just tedious, okay? So take your time with it. And if you see the little kiwis floating around, super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a stopper for this gloss, pop the stopper in, and put the cap on, because this gloss is finished. So this is how it looks. Super cute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do Strawberry Delight, which it has some in here, which has some strawberry slices in here. And sometimes I like this gloss to have little hints of red in it, so I will like mix a little red because I feel like it looks so cute, like like I feel like it looks so cute with like the Strawberry Delight thing. So here's this tube. I'm gonna try to shake them around a little bit so they don't get stuck. And like I said, it's so cute. And now the gloss is filled all the way up, and I'm gonna grab a little stopper, pop it in, grab the top. After all that hard work and the stain I got on my shirt, the glosses are finished, and wow, might I say, this is the best Strawberry Delight I have made so far. It is gorgeous. Sometimes it just takes a little trial and error to get it right. This one is super pretty. And then here's Cherry Kiwi. I kind of got the kiwis a little concentrated at the top, so next time I'll try to put them throughout in the top and the bottom like I tried to with the Strawberry Delight. And then here are the 2 lip oils we made. I literally love Strawberry Delight. Like, it's like so cute, you guys. And these actually aren't the same color. They look super similar. But yeah. So, what you're gonna do to put your labels on your glosses is take that same 91% alcohol that we used before. This works wonders for so many things. And we're going to just wipe down the tubes.
90% alcohol literally strips the tubes of any dirt, any oil, and just like makes your surface nice, clean, and ready for labeling. I clean the tops and the bottoms of these glosses.
And if you guys can see, I literally just layer the gloss, I just layered the label on like this. See if that's where I want it, then press the label down. And that's how this one came out. Like I said, guys, this is even better than my Strawberry Delight that I have right now. This one is so cute.
I'm gonna put the label on the Cherry Kiwi.
And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys Cherry Kiwi and Strawberry Delight one more time. Here they are. We made 2 fruity lip glosses as well as a brand new lip oil, okay? You cannot tell me these are not bomb. Alright guys, so that is the completion of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more entrepreneur videos as well as some brand new couples videos, okay? This channel has it all, honey. Alright, whatever you need your little laugh, I got it. You need your little entrepreneur inspiration, I got it, okay? I love you, my princesses. Bye.